ChatGPT costs $20 a month. But what if you could run a powerful AI right on the laptop you already own? Completely free. Fully private. And it keeps working even with your Wi-Fi switched off. In the next few minutes, I'll set up Google's brand new Gemma 4 with you. Every single step. No detail skipped. By the end, you'll have your very own private AI. Let's get into it. First, what you actually need. Just 3 things. A computer. Mac, Windows, or Linux. About 10 gigabytes of free space. And 15 minutes. No expensive graphics card. No cloud bill. I'm on a Mac here, but every step is identical on Windows and Linux. And the model we'll use is small enough that even an 8GB laptop can run it. Step 1 is the engine that runs the model. It's called Ollama, and it's free and open source. Go to ollama.com. Click Download. Choose your system, macOS, Windows, or Linux, and install it. On a Mac, you can also paste one simple command into your terminal. That is the only setup you need. Step 2. We download the model itself. One command. Ollama pulled Gemma 4. This pulls Google's Gemma 4, which launched in 2026 and shot straight to the top of the open model leaderboards. Watch the bars. It is really downloading the whole model onto your machine all the way to 100%. We use the small version, so it stays light. Step 3. Let's actually use it. Type Ollama run Gemma 4 and ask it anything. Here, I'll ask it to write a function that checks if a number is prime. Watch closely. It writes real working code, line by line, generated right here on my laptop. No cloud. No API key. No sign up. Most people prefer a clean chat window over the command line. So here is exactly how to set it up yourself, even if you have never done this before. You already have Ollama and the Gemma model from the earlier steps. The chat is just one small program. You start it with a single command. Python, the program, a port number, and the model. And when it prints, Viaan AI on localhost, your own local server is live. Now you just open that address, localhost, in any web browser like Chrome or Safari. There is no account, no API key, and no internet. The moment the page loads, your private AI is ready to use. Now open that web address in any browser like Chrome or Safari, and this is Viaan AI. Your own private ChatGPT running fully on your laptop. Let me prove it really works with 3 completely different everyday tasks. First, real code. I ask it to write a function that checks for prime numbers, and it writes clean, working Python. Second, writing. I ask it to draft a short, polite email to my manager, and it gives me one I could actually send. And third, knowledge. I ask it to explain the difference between RAM and storage, and it answers in plain, simple English. 3 different jobs. And every single answer is generated right here on your own machine, completely free and completely offline. Now, here is the part the cloud simply cannot do. And I want to prove it properly. First, let me show you the internet is on. I ping Google, and it replies. Now watch closely. I am turning Wi-Fi completely off. Let me prove there is no internet now. I ping Google again, and this time it fails. Cannot resolve. No connection at all. So now, with 0 internet, I ask the AI the same kind of question. And look, it answers instantly. A full response. Completely offline. Nothing ever left your laptop. This is your own private AI. It works on a plane, in a basement, anywhere, and that is it. A free private offline AI running on your own laptop. No subscription. No API key. No data ever leaving your machine. This is video 1 of a series. Next, I'll show you how to turn this into a real coding assistant that writes and fixes code for you, completely free. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And every command is down in the description. See you in the next one.